If you are stuck in a 9-to-5 that barely covers your bills, or you are unemployed and starting with just a phone and data, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 7 online skills that you can learn and use from South Africa that pay you in dollars. No forex, no crypto schemes, just real work that people are already doing. And I will show you how to turn that dollar income into a dollar jar that kills debt. Build your emergency fund and then feeds your property pot so you are not just hustling, you are building wealth. I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned legacy builder. I help South Africans use their money wisely so they can invest, especially in property. Before skill number 1, quick rules so you don't overcomplicate this and then quit. Rule 1, you can start every skill here with free tools. CapCut, Canva free, Google Docs, Notion, your phone or a basic laptop. Keep your bank card in your pocket on day 1. Rule 2, don't wait for a big portfolio. One solid sample is enough to start. Your portfolio grows because you get clients, not the other way around. Rule 3, don't say I do video editing or I do social media. Sell a tiny clear result like I will edit your next 3 reels or I'll design one thumbnail that boosts your clicks. Clients buy small wins, not vague titles. Rule 4, 20% learning, 80% doing. If you watch 1 hour of tutorials, spend 4 hours creating or pitching. Skills grow when your hands are moving, not when your playlist is looping. Rule 5, everything plugs into your money system, the dollar jar. So the extra cash goes to debt, emergency fund, then your property pot, not takeaways and drip. If this is helping you already, hit like so YouTube shows it to more South Africans. Alright, let's hit skill number 1. Skill number 1 is editing short videos, reels, TikTok, YouTube shorts, the same stuff you scroll past every day. Creators and small businesses in South Africa and overseas need these clips every week. And beginners can charge about $10 to $20 a video, around 180 Rand to 350 Rand once they have one good sample. You don't need fancy gear, a decent Android or an iPhone and free CapCut are enough. All you need is your phone and free software. If you have only 2 hours after work or on weekends, you use 20 minutes learning tutorials and the rest to edit one short video. Just avoid editing courses or clients promising 100,000 Rand in 30 days with Lamborghinis on the thumbnails. If they show lifestyle but not real clients' work or real briefs, that's a red flag. First step, this weekend, take one raw clip, turn it into a before and after reel. And next week, send that clip to 5 to 10 small brands or fitness coaches. And remember, every dollar you make is not for your lifestyle. It's going into your dollar jar. So what is dollar jar? It's where these online skills stop being side gigs and start building your wealth. Use one of these skills to fill your dollar jar, money that attacks your debt first. Then builds your emergency funds, then moves into your property pot for deposit and deal cost. That's the system. Dollar jar, debt, emergency fund, property pot. Not lifestyle, not upgrades, strategy. Skill number 2 is thumbnail design, the picture and the words that make people click a video. Creators spend hours recording, then rush the thumbnails, so there's real demand if you can create clear designs with a face and big text. Beginners can charge about $10 to $30 per thumbnail from South Africa for clients anywhere. You can start with a basic phone or a laptop using Canva free. Day 1 is 100% free apps. A couple of focused hours after work is enough to study good thumbnails and remake 1 or 2 as practice. Step 1. Pick one YouTuber you follow, redesign one of their thumbnails in Canva. Then message them, I'll redesign this for you. Here is before and after. Want me to do your next 3? Skill number 3 is copywriting, writing simple words that make people click, sign up or buy. Businesses everywhere need this, landing pages, emails, product descriptions or ads. Beginners can charge about $50 to $150 per page or for a set of captions even from South Africa. You can start with a basic phone or a laptop and Google Docs. 0 software budgets needed to begin. Spend 20 minutes reading one good sales page, then spend the rest to rewrite it in your own words, then write it for a fake or real product. Don't fall for copywriting secrets or coaches promising 100K in a month with only lifestyle shots. If they don't show real pages and real results, that's a red flag. Step 1, this week, pick one product you like, write a short sales page for it in Google Docs, and send it to one small business owner or creator who sells something similar. Share this to one friend who always says there's no money in SA but still has Wi-Fi and time to scroll. Skill number 4 is social media management, planning, posting, and replying for busy businesses. In South Africa, saloons, restaurants, coaches, and lawyers are busy in real life but quiet online, so there's real demand. A basic package at $150 to $300 to post few times a week and reply to DMs is normal. You can start with a phone or a simple laptop using Meta Scheduler and Canva free. No subscriptions, just what you already have. Do this. Use your 2-hour blog to batch create posts, then spend 10 minutes a day checking messages and comments. Watch out for engagement services that sell bots or fake followers. If they are talking big numbers but can't explain how to bring in real customers, that's a red flag. Step 1. Pick one local business you know. Mock up 1 week of posts in Canva and send, here's how your page could look like next week. Want me to run it for you? Skill number 5 is simple web development. Making clean one-page website and landing pages, not big systems. Most small businesses just need one clean page that says who they are, what they do, and how to book or buy. There's real demand, and beginners can charge about $100 to $350 per page. You'll need a basic laptop and internet. Start with a simple website builder or WordPress on low-cost hosting. You start on free tools only. Here's what you do. Learn one builder and rebuild a page you like as practice. Avoid web dev offers that say, pay me and I'll send you clients. But don't show real sites they built or real businesses they helped. That's a red flag. First step this week, rebuild a one-page site for a pretend local physio or a tutor on a free builder. Then show it to a real small business and say, here's how your one-page website could look like. Want me to build this for you? Skill number 6 is UGC, user-generated content. Filming yourself as a normal person so brands can use those videos in their ads. Brands are tired of perfect video ads. They want real people in real homes talking to their phones. Beginners can charge around $50 to $150 even from South Africa for local or overseas brands. You can start with just your phone, window light, and clear audio, no laptop. In a 2-hour block, you can plan, film, and redo a few short clips. Be careful of UGC lists or agencies that make you pay just to be on a list but don't show real briefs. Real brands or where your videos get used, that's a red flag. First step this week, pick one small local brand you already use. Film 3 short clips, unboxing, using it, and saying what you like. Skill number 7 is being a virtual assistant. Doing admin, customer support, follow-ups for busy entrepreneurs from home. Many solo founders and small businesses can't keep up with emails and tasks, so there's steady demand. Beginners often start around $8 to $15 an hour, which in rents go far when you are working from South Africa. You need a basic laptop, decent internet, and free tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, and Zoom. You can answer emails, update a simple spreadsheet, and book meetings, especially if you choose clients in the time zone that match your schedule. Avoid VA academies or job posts that ask you to pay to apply or promise guaranteed clients. If they want money upfront and can't show real businesses they've put people in, that's a red flag. Step 1. Help one local business owner organize their inbox and calendar for a week and use that as proof when you pitch your first overseas client. If you've got only a phone, nights and weekends and you've been burnt by scams before, don't worry. That's why I showed you startup cost, time reality, and red flags for each skill, so you can pick one and safely go for your first paying clients. If you don't know which one to choose, here's the 30-second filter. Option 1, choose the one closest to what you already do. If you write a lot, copywriting. If you live on social media, editing or management. Option 2, choose one you can start with your current device tonight. If CapCut runs on your phone, editing or UGC is a strong bet. Right now, pause and pick one skill and commit to it for 60 days. Comment, my skill is X, that's your day one. If I see a lot of people choosing the same skill, that's the one I'll dive deep next. Let's be real about time. The first 30 days aren't for getting rich. They are for learning, making samples, and sending messages. If you keep going for 60 to 90 days, your chances of a first client are way higher than everyone who quits in 2 weeks. Remember, 20% learning, 80% doing. The market doesn't pay for what you know, it pays for what you ship. If you want help, I've put my Money Master PDF and an income growth calculator in the description so you can track your numbers properly. Don't click now, save it and stay with me. Whichever skill you pick, your next job is simple. Step 1. Create one sample of before and after. Step 2, show it to 10 people or brands. Step 3, ask to get paid for the next one. Start with local shops, churches, campus groups, or a friend's business. One local win gives you proof you can pitch for a dollar-paying client. Don't sell a big title, sell a tiny offer. I will edit your next 3 reels. I will design one thumbnail. I will rewrite your homepage headline. Most people will ignore you. That's normal. You don't need 100 clients, you need 1 yes. You don't have to be the best, you just have to be reliable. Clients pay more for this person always delivers than this person is genius but disappears. If this gave you a clearer path from phone plus data to dollars plus property, hit like so YouTube shows it to more South Africans tired of quick fix scams. Let's zoom out. Use one of these skills to build your dollar jar. Extra money separate from your salary that kills debt, builds your emergency funds, and feeds your property pot. That's the sequence. Dollar jar, debt, emergency fund, property pot. Today was step 1, build the jar. Step 2 is starting your property pot. This channel, Money Talks with Ekow, is not about hustling forever. It's about building systems that end in assets. After this, watch how to start freelancing for beginners in South Africa to sort your profile, pricing, and client messages. Then, how to start your property pot in South Africa so those dollars don't sit, they build. Tell me in the comments which skill you are choosing. I make money talk so you don't get played. Build your dollar jar, feed your property pot, be a legacy builder. See you in the next one.